What's going on, everybody? Today in this video I'm going to take you along with me in the day in the life screen printing t-shirts for a living. If you're new to this video, my name is Bob and I'm 23 years old, and I run a custom apparel screen printing and embroidery company all out of my own shop, and when I started this business all out of the basement. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what t-shirts we're printing today. Today we're actually going to be screen printing a streetwear style graphic, which is the white t-shirts right there with a 4-color screen print on the front and custom neck tags in the back, and folding and packing it up for a retail finished look. So I got my separations right here all ready to go. So without further ado, the first step is to go ahead and get our screens made. So let's go do that. Now that we got all of the screens made, here's the first screen right here. We're actually going to do the custom neck tags first, so let me take you along with me in printing those out. Alright, and now that we got the tags being made, let's go ahead and start registering up that 4-color screen print. So let me show you how I register that onto the press. Alright, now that you guys understand a little bit more about the registration process, we got to mix up our custom Pantone colors. In this design, we have 4 different colors, red, yellow, black, and a light blue. I already have the 3 other colors because we have stock colors and already mixed colors that we keep on hand and try to make a big collection. But now we need to mix up that light blue 7453, so let's mix that up. test print looks so good. I'm not even gonna show you guys. You're just gonna have to watch this to find out. So let's begin full production. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a quick video of me taking you guys along with me and exactly how I screen print for a clothing brand and make their visions come to life. In this case, we actually made this vision come to life. Like, this graphic tee turned out fantastic. Here's the mock-up. As you can see, that compared to the print right here, it looks pretty damn spot on, and we really made visions to come to life. So if you want to make custom apparel, go ahead and reach out to us, because you don't have to be local to us. We can ship it directly to your door, and it's easy as that. Let us build with you. I always like to throw in a little extra goodie for the person that places the order. So in this case, we gave the guy a free Shaka Wear heavyweight t-shirt. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but this is a Shaka Wear heavyweight garment dye t-shirt. We do that in as a one-on-one piece, because I believe if you're gonna place an order, it's right for you to have a one-on-one piece whenever I can go ahead and throw it in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family, join the grind. If you want to contact us and reach out to us and stay in touch with us, follow us on Instagram right here at Aesthetic Imprints, because we post on there daily about the projects we're working on, and you can also contact us there. And if you want to stay in touch with me and content and whatever I'm working on, make sure you follow my personal brand page at BaavProductions. Same thing as a YouTube channel. And always remember, no grind, no glory. Cop some merch. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And let me give you guys an inside look at what's going on here. We got these shirts all done. We banged some of those out as well. And then we got all these jobs that are staged. It's a lot of crew necks, hoodies, and more to come on the way. Now we got to break down these screens that we just screen printed with. Oh, it's not focused. And then we got these track suits that we got to do. Come on, nobody's getting y'all tracksuits like this. Tech fleece sets going crazy. Zipper on the side. These are gonna be crazy. And then we got some Nike gear that we gotta embroider up. And we just wrapped up some book bags with some embroidery. As you can see, that's clean.